Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how I fertilize my gardenia plants. So summer is here and my plant has set a lot of buds, somewhere around 15 buds, and I thought that I'll share what is the mixture of the fertilizer that I use to give to my plants. So here I am taking some vermicompost. Now we know that vermicompost is very good. It is rich in both macro and micronutrients. But because right now the plant is producing a lot of blooms, it needs a very heavy dose. It needs to be fed quite regularly and with a very rich combination of fertilizer. So I have used vermicompost. Now here I'm taking some potash. Now potash is really important because it regulates the CO2 uptake and it helps to perform photosynthesis better. It also helps the plant to set a lot of buds and produce bigger blooms. So I have taken some potash over here. Now I've taken some NPK, just a small pinch of NPK. Now, NPK stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in short, and it is completely packed with all the three important macronutrients. So, I've taken a small pinch of it. Now, here I've taken some Epsom salt. Now, Epsom salt is actually magnesium sulfate, and I am taking a small pinch of Epsom salt. It helps to improve the flower quality, and it enhances that green color. It makes the plant bushier, and it produces a lot of chlorophyll. And lastly, I have added some bone meal. Now bone meal is an organic slow release fertilizer. It provides calcium to the plants, and it helps it to set a very healthy root system. It's a slow release fertilizer. Please mix it using any gardening tool or a spoon or a fork. Use gloves if you want, but don't touch it with your bare hands. Now, this mixture can be given to all the flowering plants like adenium, roses, jasmine, hibiscus, ixora, um, even croton. You can give it to them because it's very rich in all the micro and macronutrients, and it can be given to any of the plants, any of the flowering plants. So this mixture I give it to the gardenia once in 15 to 20 days. I'm not giving the entire mixture. From the mixture, I've only given it 2 to 3 spoons, not more. The rest I'm going to give it to my other plants. Now, using a gardening tool or a fork, mix the fertilizer with the potting media. One thing that I would like to tell you, that when you fertilize the plant, it is very important to water it afterwards. So give it a good give it water. Give it a good mix and then water your plant. Now this video only covers the fertilizer that I'm giving to my plants, how I fertilize. I've already told you I give this mixture once in 15 to 20 days. I haven't spoken about the other requirements. If you want, please comment in the comment section below. I have made a lot of videos on gardenia, so you can please check that out on the channel. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Please give suggestions what other videos you would like to see. And here you can just have a look how many buds are there, and they are all ready. I think within a week or so they are going to pop up. There are somewhere about 15 to 16 buds, and I'll also show you that how dry the potting mix is, because if you over water, there is going to be bud drop, because gardenias, they're very sensitive and they hate sitting in water. So here, see, there is no soil sticking to my finger. This means that I can avoid watering for a day. And I shot this part yesterday,